My name is Akash Dhanaji Patil. I am 22 years old and I studied in Vishwaniketan College of Engineering with a specialization in AIML. So I started my JSpiders journey from 1st of January in 2025, and the last date was to complete in recent December. And the most best thing I learned in JSpiders is the teachers are amazing to teach. The knowledge of teachers is just the best at the point, and we have a best happy environment here. The support trainers are also good, and the helpers are also good, and the knowledge is just quality knowledge. We never find that amount of quality knowledge on YouTube or any other site. If you want a particular special job, you can come to JSpiders. It's definitely a best branch to study software development or any other data analytics related field. That's my point. I got placed in where the package is also good and the feedback was just amazing for the particular drive, and the faculty is so supporting for the drive. They call particularly every time whether the requirement is complete or not, and they are too loving. I got best treatment from here, and I love this decision of taking JSpiders so much. You can also come here to visit if you want a particular best job from JSpiders.